Hey, hey, hey. How you doing? How you doing? I was just about ready to leave, and I found this package out on the stoop here. So I'm pulling the bike out and everything, and this is from my boy. I think I mentioned this in a video recently. This is a kooky box. Um, this guy reached out to me a couple weeks ago, and we used to be pretty tight 30 years ago. And it's nice to see him again, or talk to him. His name's Carol Schumacher. Carol has his own style of kung fu. He was a Navy SEAL back in the 1970s, and we were both in the film business back in the day. And Carol stuck with it, right? So Carol became he was acting back then, but he was in the film business, just doing work. And then he stuck with it. We got into stuntman work. And I think he's done some directing and he's done some acting. And he told me he recently just was in his first starring role. And I don't know. It sounded like he reached out to me. He was like, dude, you're looking good. Just get in shape. Get in even better shape. Maybe there's something coming for you down the pike. We'll see about that. I don't know. It's wishful thinking. He sent me a box of swag. Shufu swag. This is exciting. All right, well, there's the T-shirt. Let's just show the small stuff first. Cause this is so... Thank you, Carol. You didn't have to do this. It was very cool. It was so much fun talking to you, man. I hope we actually hang here pretty soon. Look at... He really... It's a lot of stuff in here. All right, I don't know what these are for, but they're cool. So they're these little... I don't know what does GMS stand for? 100 GMS? The little Shufu thingies? Would this be like I guess this is like an inexpensive version of a challenge coin? What? Plastic Shufu challenge coins? That's pretty cool. We got Shufu stickers, so these are definitely, a couple of these, or at least one of these are going on the van, for sure. This is Carol. He's a tough guy, man. He's and a sweetheart. Like the nicest guy. He can rip your throat out within a couple seconds, but sweet man. Sweet, sweet dude. Oh, this is cool. Nice little high quality pin here. Very cool. Oh, this is good. This little wrist thing, so I could put this on to remind myself every time I'm about to insult somebody and hurt their feelings. I could do this first. Don't do that, Mike. Stop doing that, Mike. Don't do that, Mike. Every time I think of something bad, don't do that, Mike. You're gonna don't call that guy a pussy, Mike. Boom. So that'll be good. All right. It's a Gildan too. It's a quality. Shoo-foo! Alright, we're going to do it. Am I bloated today? I'm a little bloated. I just ate, but screw it. With the hat. See if we can do this with the hat on. I almost just took my nipple off with this fingernail. It's the nose-picking fingernail almost just totally took my nipple off. That kind of hurt. Let's hope it's not bleeding. Oh, get the pencil out of my... Oh, let's go. Alright, not bad for an old guy. Alright. Who has not been training at all. All right. I have done that parasite cleanse. I had to get back to it. I had some of those signs again. We'll talk about that in an upcoming video. Let's get this on. Because now I'm like officially a professional t-shirt model now, right? Oh, yeah. What do we think, huh? Shufu. I said this in a video not long ago. Carol did train me a couple times, and he was so cool. And the first time, he's like, Mike, if you stick with this, you could be one of my instructors. We talked about that the other day. I didn't stick with it, so I'm not. At any rate, you guys have a good day. Check out Shufu. Look up Carol Schumacher. He's a badass. If you're a director or producer and you're looking for a very talented guy. Oh, look, I forgot about the pens. He sent me pens. Oh, dude. Come on, man. How cool is that? Super cool. And this one's just pretty. So he's got a pretty version and a badass Patriot version. Check out Shufu. Cool dude. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks, man.